You just replace the head on your existing shower like this, and you screw it off and you put this thing on, and then what you got to do is just turn on the tap, and to start with, less than 31 degrees it's green, over 31 degrees it's blue, and that's green, less than 31, so I'm cold here. If I turn it up a bit, blue, yeah, so now it's 31 to like 40 degrees here. Look at that, isn't that like funky, geeky? And it's all hydroelectric power, you're not even using any batteries or anything, yeah? So like, yeah, and now when you turn it up to maximum, when it's too bloody hot, that's what you get. Watch out, it's fucking burning hot, man. Jesus, watch out.